I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'll be showing you how to make Google Assistant your default smart assistant on this watch, so that every time you long press on the home button, instead of Bixby, it brings up Google Assistant. To do that, go to Settings. Under Settings, scroll down to Buttons and Gestures, tap on that. Under that, go to the Home button section, and you should see the press and hold. Now, if you tap on that, you'll notice it's set to open Bixby by default. You can set it to Google Assistant by selecting Google Assistant. And now, as you can see, we have Assistant. And now that means when I press and hold the button, it brings up Google Assistant. That's basically how to make Google Assistant your default assistant on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.